Hey everyone, it's Ben from Maine Woods and Water. Today I have some footage for you from back in 2015 when I found myself in a tree stand overlooking a highly active bear bait. I had been baiting these bears for over a month and was really excited to get into the woods. I was fortunate that two bears came out and I was able to harvest the larger of the two at 28 yards after it presented me a quartering away shot. The bear only went 30 yards before it went down. I hope you guys liked that video. I'll have a link in the description for all the gear that I used that night. As always, if you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more great content coming your way. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit up the comment section. Thanks for swinging by.